Hello, my name is Gerald. I'm part of a group of four students that will be making an adaptive joystick for you. We'll be our end user for this project.
I think most games must use two hands to play, and I just can use my right hand, so it's hard to control the game.
We developed empathy by interviewing Mixture on his preferences and what his hobbies are. We could better understand him, and once we learned he was very interested in games, we got him to play a variety of them. These range from classic arcade games like Street Fighter to more modern games like FIFA and Minecraft. We learned that Minecraft is a good example of why it is a good game for him, because he can play at his own pace and still make it enjoyable without needing to learn any control. From this, we also learned how he likes his hand placement as well as where he wants the buttons to be put, and this allowed us to gain a better understanding on how we should craft our adaptive joystick to the best of our ability for his needs.
Ideas. Our ideas first came up with the Xbox Adaptive Gamepad Controller. At the very beginning, we have the exact gamepad controller, and we have the configuration of the buttons by ourselves. After a long time consideration and discussion, we connected external devices such as switches, buttons, mouse, and joysticks to create a controller that is much better for one-hand user. Button, joystick, and trigger inputs are controlled with assistive devices connected through jacks and USB ports. During the process, we have different ideas on the version of the controller. One is the D-pad version, and the other is the joystick version. We keep the joystick version though, so now we have the general framework of the controller, which consists of two joysticks, one main joystick for changing direction and the other for changing the game perspective. And there is a D-pad and two triggers on the back of the joystick. The D-pad is for the functional buttons like X, Y, A, B. At the same time, we still focus on the beauty of the controller. Gerald designed the base of the controller and add artistic patterns. Iterative design. We designed the gamepad controller at first. In the middle is a hollow design which creates enough space to place the making and the wires. After that, with enough information, watching a lot of videos and learning about different accessibility cases, we designed products that were more in line with Michener's. We combined the 3-dimensional joystick with the flat buttons. We placed the buttons on the side of the joystick, and we designed all of these with Tinkercad. Whether it's the joystick shell, the joystick rocker, the buttons, the base, we complete these all through 3D printing. Finally, we assembled all the parts.
After many attempts, we settled on our final version, where we solved the problem of traditional gamepads not being able to control characters' perspective and movement with one hand at the same time. We made these controllers that allow Michener to play 3D games like Minecraft, and we also made a lot of user-friendly features like non-slip bumps and functional buttons.
I think it's really good. I really love it.
Why?
Because you can play it by one hand. Yeah, and it's comfortable.